Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about fried quesadilla. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start by taking 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, and 1 green chilli chopped. Now take 1 medium-sized onion chopped, and chopped bell peppers. Cook for a minute or two. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, and salt to taste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and mix well. Then add 200 grams of paneer and mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and spring onions and cook for a minute or two. The stuffing is ready. And yes, this is a tortilla. And our previous video was on tortillas, so you can watch the recipe on our YouTube channel. Now cut it in half. Now take 1 tablespoon of maida and 3 tablespoons of water. And mix well. This paste will act as the glue to stick the ends of the tortillas. Apply the paste on the tortilla and roll it into a cone as shown in the video. Now fill it up. Now apply the flour paste on the insides and press to seal. Oh, you can add cheese too. Once they are all ready, it's time to fry them. Fry it on a medium flame till it becomes golden brown and crispy like a samosa. Serve it with tomato ketchup or chutney or any dip of your choice. And that's it. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.